cake, right in the cake. Give me that cake, take it to bed.
What's good, y'all, man? Right now, I ain't gonna lie, it's the morning time right now. I ain't gonna lie, it's early as shit. Y'all can see my eyes early as shit. I ain't even wash my face yet. But you feel me? We about to get ready. We finna, it's like 8 o'clock. I ain't gonna lie. What I'm about to go do? I'm finna go take this little thing to the paint shop. I'm gonna show y'all when I get out there, but I'm finna just brush my teeth. I wanted to just start it off right now. Feel me? I'm about to brush my teeth, wash my face, get the day started. It's 8 a.m. first morning. Feel me? I'm finna get it started. We finna go do what we gotta do today. As y'all see by the title, basically. That's what we about to go do. Get this painted. Finna go take it to the paint shop, get it painted, and put it on my car finally. It's been a long time. I had it forever. Since like September, October. So now we finna go put the splitter on or get it painted. Or hopefully we can find some place to paint it. But finna go do that right now. I'm finna get ready. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get outside to the car. Yeah, man. All right, y'all. Now we about to go. We finna go. We got the boat. I shouldn't have started it, but it's all good. Oh. I don't know how that be happening. We got the boat. Finna take the boat and get it painted. Look, we're finna taking the boat to get it painted. This is the old splitter. And then we got it. I accidentally painted this, y'all. I was trying to get it to y'all earlier for real, but as y'all see, the paint came off because I suck.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the f is that?
But you feel me? It's alright. We finna go take it to get it painted though right now. You feel me? And then, yeah. Take it to go get painted right quick. Yeah, bad. Bad ass. This joint bad. Yeah, I know. But yeah, we finna go up there right now. See what they on. Alright, y'all. Right now we on the way to the paint shop. I had to go get my nigga Marcus, man. I had to go pick him up right quick, bro. But right now we on the way to the place right now, the paint place. Yeah, I hope. Why is he on it? Dang, GR Rose, good. Your car don't even spool like that, bro. Oh my god. Listen. Bro, the hell no. Listen, watch my down shit. Nigga is delusional. Watch my down shit. He get the fuck on real quick. You don't hear that, bro? That's something else, bro. All right, y'all. We finally arrived. Got Marcus over there. This car walking that Charlie all day long. Bro, it's walking anything, bro. Look at this car, yo. It's got nitrous. This motherfucker got nitrous in the bed. That's some crazy shit. Look at this little thing. You getting in here? That's walking. You dumb as hell. You think this walking me? Wow. Let's see how they. Oh yeah, he taking off. He killing shit. Hey, this place sweet as hell. Huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. And I ain't gonna lie. Boy, he brought this in here and never drove it again.
500 each tire.
He talking about 500 each tire.
Swear to God.
No, they play sweet as hell though. We finna get this painted, yo. We waiting on them to see how much it's gonna be to paint it. What you drinking? Oh, that's water. Oh, his shit sweet though, I ain't gonna lie. Huh? What they got? That's for us, ain't it?
Supposed to be.
I'm straight.
Actually, I don't know.
I don't want to know. I'm straight. Let me go get the B5. B5 looking good in the sun. B5 looks so good in the sun. Look at that B5. Oh my God. Just the back end look crazy. Oh, this my thumbnail right here. B5. Oh, this my thumbnail right here. I just had to get it. I didn't even see, like, this looks sweet as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, y'all. So I ain't gonna lie. They had me and bro fucked up. The nigga said $500-$600. Wait, what the fuck are you talking about? This shit cost $200 to do, $300 to do. This shit's crazy shit. I should just do it myself, but the shit, I fucked it up when I tried to do it myself. But yeah, you finna go to another spot. We here at another spot right now. Finna go in there and see what they talking about.
One eternity later.
What's up, y'all? As y'all see, man, it's the next day type shit. And I done pulled up on my nigga Marcus. As soon as I picked it up, I just pulled up on my... Yeah, that bitch look B5 over there. I don't know what type of car it is. But I just pulled up on my nigga Marcus, man. You feel me? Oh, shit. Oh, I'm about to hop out. We finna go finally put on the splitter and the wicker bill, hopefully today. Or at least one of the things. One of the two, but try to get all of them. We got my nigga Marcus out here. This shit clean as hell. So this shit banging off that shit. With the B5 and the off the B5 and all black. What you on, bro? You good?
It take forever, bro.
Bro, nigga, you took all day. Nigga took 2 hours. You ready? What you mean first? We're going to Jensen to get the stuff put on first. Yes, yes. We finna go get this stuff put on. And yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all when we get on the road, on the way there. All right, y'all, man. Right now, we is like 5 minutes away. Bro, behind us back there. If y'all see him back there. Feel me? I got the wicker build and the splitter in here. We about to try to hopefully get it put on today. Both of them at the same time. So I can just put this in one video. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, we going up here right now. Feel me? Almost there. I don't know the thing on my phone, but yeah, we about to pull up there in a minute, man. I just wanted to update y'all, see where we was at, feel me? But yeah, we about to pull up. I'm gonna get with y'all when we pull up. Yeah, it's sunny outside. Mid muffler, resonators, 5-inch diffuser, cat hood. Yeah, I'm just trying to put the splitter in. I wanna see if you can put the splitter and the wicker bill on.
Yeah.
I got the
do you
pieces.
have that with you?
Yeah, I got all of it. Yeah, sorry. This the wicker bill. Yeah. And then this the splitter. Where's my oldest one?
You can do it, man. Just a little sneak peek in here, bro. Boy, if you don't get that slow ass shit. Yeah. Wrong one. That bitch the slow one. I ain't gonna lie.
Boom! Look at the bill. Marcus here. Slow ass Charlie. Take it for a ride. Oh, we trying to see right now. The problem we got, bro. This will not fit on here. This supposed to align with this, but this don't align. This doesn't align. So I'm about to just say, forget it, bro. Just put it on, bro. I don't care. It don't alarm, but I missed my pink lip already, and it's gone. So now I need another one. So I think we're about to just put it on, say forget it. However it looks, it looks. I just missed the pink, so I'm about to go put it on after we do the Wicker video. Do the Wicker video, boom, boom, boom. Do guys swear?
I don't know, bro. I just don't like how they look sometimes. You gotta have the right build.
This shit.
BMW, you really just gotta go down type 2.
Got some fan shit in the shop going on. You got some edge whips in there. Oh, that was the last hole on there. Got the Wicker build on there. All right, y'all. We're about to still do this. Hopefully, we're gonna try to get this done too. Today. Splitter and the Wicker build. Hopefully, we can get them done today. I ain't gonna lie, my junk look crazy on camera. Dang, that junk look crazy. My junk look crazy. S-I-T. But almost done. Look at this, y'all. We got the whole Wicker build. This bitch tinted. I ain't even peeped. This was tinted. This bitch gonna look sweet as hell. This bitch tinted. It's in my trunk the whole time. That's the thing, bro. Tripod's right there. This bitch tinted. I ain't never seen no tinted one. You seen the tinted one? I ain't never seen the tinted one. We finna go put this on right now. I only seen clear. Oh, snap. Got the holes in there. I don't know what side this is. Actually, I think it's gonna be that side.
I think it can be either side.
Oh, yeah. That is clean. Damn. That make the whole back end look crazy. I ain't gonna lie. All right, y'all, we was about to put the splitter on, but we got the Wicker build. The Wicker build, feel me? All good. Wicker build on, whole back end look crazy. I ain't gonna lie now. But we was gonna put the splitter on, but we need to do some other stuff because it won't. I want it on there the correct way. But right now we just trying to fix my badge right quick. I think the water got into it, so now that's why it was messing up, wasn't turning on. It was working, but like it turned on sometimes. But yeah, trying to fix it. Oh yeah. But yeah, they out there, Marcus and them out there. Widebody look clean, man. We finna go slide too, y'all. Just to end the video, we gonna go slide for a minute. But I'm gonna show y'all when we finish with this, get the badge back working. And yeah. All right, y'all, man, we done finally got everything right, man. That badge back working perfectly. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, badge back working perfectly. It was some water in there, you know, fuck my shit up, but feel me, got the boat back right. Got the Wicker build. Let me see how the Wicker build look. Hold on. Let me peep. Black Charlie, huh? Oh my God, the whole back end. Oh my God.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I was sharking it. Both black.
I was just about to say my black. I need the boats to be black. Yeah. Scorpio a marker on that shit. Oh my God, y'all. Look at the wide body Wicker build on that. That don't look crazy. Then we got, you know what I'm saying, got Marcus, you know. Big wide bodies out here. Yeah. Finna go inside, get some gas. He about to get some gas right quick. You know, your boy stay on F, boy, fully. You know that. But he about to get some gas. He about to get some gas. We out. We finna go. Got something for y'all. We finna go do something right quick. We got something for y'all. We got something for him, don't we?
Shit.
We got something for him, don't we?
2 and out, I'm down.
See, he done gave it away. All right, I'm about to get with y'all in 2 seconds. Oh.
great. I feel good. I want to slide out with you would. Tell you I drop on slide with you would.